Guys, we got a 1995 BMW M3, and I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. It's got an active AUTOWERKE rear muffler or axle back, as you guys can see there. Everything else is bone stock. This is what it sounds like before. Here's the sound decibels on it. Again. So it's right at 91. Again. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, it's got two baby resonators on it. He doesn't want a lot of volume, just want a little bit more sound. So we're going to take the two resonators off and leave the stock cats for now. And then maybe later down the road he might change it and put take the cats off and put high flows. But we're going to start with the two baby resonators for now and see if it'll open up the active AUTOWERKE muffler that's on it. It's all pure stainless steel. We'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before on this beautiful M3 1995. Very clean little car. What we got done after, we'll let you guys see. So it's got factory manifolds, and it comes true dual, then it wires into a single there, then they put an O2 sensor there. This is all factory. Then it's got factory catalytic converters there, and we took off the two resonators that go right here. Okay, and then we fixed the sleeve for him there. Then he had that AUTOWERKE exhaust, active automotive muffler. As you guys can see, it's a pretty big size muffler. He wanted a little bit more volume out of it. With the resonators on it, it wasn't giving him enough volume. So hopefully with these resonators right here taken off, and they are straight through design. Make sure, as you guys can see right there, there's two of them that were on this car. We took them off, and we left the active automotive exhaust on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, see how you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Should he make it louder or keep it the same or change the cats for high flows? Because if you can see the cats, they're pretty big. There's one, two, like three handfuls. They're pretty big size. They're about a foot long each. A little bit more volume. Yeah, it was 91 before, now it's 93. Here's sound decibels. Again. 94.4. Yeah, from 91. That's not bad. Again. Go ahead and back it up. You want more? Volume?
I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see under load. We'll see how it goes under load, you know? Again. Beautiful little 95 M3. And if you guys want any photography work, give you a shout out. What is it?
JD Automotive's on Instagram.
JD Automotive's on Instagram. Again. Go check them out, guys. Give them a, tell them Exhaust Addict sent you. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M3 1995. I love the wing on it too. That's a nice little addition. Color matched and all. He'll be back. He needs more. It's not loud enough.